It's time to get into the beehives, y'all. And I'm not getting stung between the eyes again.
Frame right there, guys. Beautiful frame.
That's a lot of bees.
Oh man, these are aggressive bees too. They're bumping me.
Ah. Well, so much for not getting stung today. I had my glove off and it got me right on the pinky finger. But I guess it's better than between the eyes, right, y'all?
Yeah, they're looking good brooding that one.
Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell, but right there at the tip of my thumb is where I got stung, and it's starting to get red. The top of my hand actually itches, but what can you do?